how can I tell if my heating or air conditioning system is working efficiently? Is it making a loud noise? Is it keeping you up at night? So remember, these components, these systems are made of metal and rubber and plastic and composite, right? And when something is not aligned, when something is not proper, they will let you know, right? Such as a high screech noise, such as a banging on the roof or a banging in the attic. You are going to see that. When your power consumption, your power bill goes from, $150 and all of a sudden it's $600, right? And you have maintained your system at the same temperature, you haven't changed. Therefore, it's a tall tale that something might be going wrong. And then lastly, so if one was audible, if two was cost of energy, the third one we would say is if the system just can't keep up anymore. Look, I am 45 years of age now, right? And when I was 30, right, and I was still in the Marine Corps, I felt great. I felt great. Everything was fine. Now I am 45. I am perfect. I look good. However, I am not the same. So therefore, what happens with our systems is the same. As we start to age, the system starts to wear down. As those components have been, worn, the system can't keep up anymore. So a day when we maintain at 78, and now we have to drop it to 76, and now we have to drop it to 74 to feel comfortable.